Okay, sorry, I got cut off on the last video. So this image, if we could just make it a little bit more emotive by increasing the tone of the image, a little bit more in the mid-tones. Yeah, kind of make it a little bit more surreal, this image, just to, get people's emotions a bit more involved in the mystery of the woods, if if you will. Yeah, I love the colours. Looks like the camera might have been focused at about this level. Um, Perhaps if you could do some selective sharpening just on the moth, just to bring him out a little bit more, that would be good. I'm just thinking perhaps just the overall brightness of the image. Just see if we can boost the brightness up a little bit through here. Maybe not. I'll leave it up to your judgment, because it is good. Yeah, love it. Yeah, I took many images for this particular shot, and I had it on a tripod. I should have done HDR because I lost the blue sky, but yeah, it's only a minor part of the image, so I'm not really too worried about it. Does the job. Great. These two are the nicest couple. Got them to just pose and look up to the trees. Yeah, it looks as if I was there, but perhaps maybe just a little bit more in the mid-tones, maybe. I don't know. Leave it if you think that's fine. Yeah, I'm probably just being overly fussy. That's good. That's great. Thank you. Yeah, I love this image. I actually had a go at this image myself early on, so I remember where I was at with it, and I think it's all a bit too bright in here. If we can put a bit more darkness back into the shot to make the waterfall really pop. And I did make out here much greener. Go to town. Well, I wouldn't say go to town, but just make it a little bit more surreal. Standing in this cave would be much darker. So yeah, you can definitely go darker. There's a little bit of noise in there, but overall, it's not too bad. Yeah. So yeah, just a little bit more surreal on that one. And we're at the bottom. Okay, great. Overall, fantastic. Really good. So, yeah, if you could go through those comments and let me know how you go. Let me know of any questions. Thanks, Daria. Cheers.